Writing a cover letter is an essential part of your job application process, yet a lot of people are failing to send one with their resume. It's been proven that sending a cover letter can increase your chances of securing an interview by 50%. So, how do you write a convincing cover letter? We will walk you through a few simple steps. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more useful videos like this one. Let's start off with the structure of your cover letter. As you can see from this template, the cover letter begins with a header that includes your name and contact information, as well as your location. To open your letter, start off with a greeting and an opening paragraph, focusing on who you are and why you're applying. This should include the following: who you are, the position that you're applying for, how you found the role, a brief summary of why you're suitable for the position. Follow on with 1 to 3 middle paragraphs explaining why you're perfect for the job. These paragraphs should support the information listed on your resume. You should discuss your skills and experience that are related to the role with quantifiable achievements. This gives you the space to use examples that will impress the hiring manager and show that you're a good fit for the role. Finish off with a closing paragraph and a strong call to action, asking the hiring manager to invite you for an interview while also thanking them for the consideration. Now you know what a cover letter should look like. Here are some important tips to follow. Make sure your cover letter isn't lengthy. 2 to 5 paragraphs are ideal. Make sure the overall look and feel of your cover letter matches that of your resume. This includes font choices, margin sizes, bullet symbols, and the exact same header used in your resume. Not only does this ensure consistency in terms of design, but it also helps you create an instantly recognizable personal brand. Tailor your cover letter to the company that you're applying for. Don't use a generic one for all job applications. Address any employment gaps in your resume. This is your ideal place to touch upon any employment gaps that you have. Proofread your document before you send it to ensure it's free of typos. Now that you know how to prepare your cover letter, you're one step closer to securing that dream position. But if you're still confused and need some more help, visit CareerAddict.com, where our professional resume writers can help you craft a job-winning document. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.